So there's a lot of folks on here that have worked with Eagle before, and we thank you. We appreciate that. For the uninitiated, Eagle Technologies has been around for 40 years, and simply put, our goal is to create value and build long-term relationships with our customers. And we do that in a number of ways. Notably, we are a heavily staffed engineering outfit. We're about 3/4 engineers, we're owned by engineers, lots of nerds walking through the hallway, if you know what I mean. I think one of the things that makes us most unique is we maintain a best of breed mentality with our products. So that means that we are constantly out there evaluating new and existing technologies. We do tons of due diligence. It's actually one of the funner parts of my jobs. And we're always looking for the best solutions for our customers. So, another way of saying that is while we work with some of the big guys like HPE and Dell, we are not afraid to go outside of those portfolios if we see a solution that's more transformative and offers more value for our customers. I think we're also unique because we staff our own support group to help customers both before and after the implementation. You can call us up a week before the implementation. You can call us up 5 years after the implementation, and we're here to help, right? It's a cradle to grave mentality that I think offers a lot of value for our customers. So, in closing, we take our credibility with our customers very seriously. We spend a lot of time performing internal education to stay aware, customer education to inform folks on how IT is transforming. We do a lot of due diligence, and we really hope and think that all of this helps our customers make smarter IT decisions. So I thought maybe I would do a really quick history of how Eagle has evolved and how we've gotten to where we are. So if you've worked with Eagle for any amount of time, you know that we're a backup and recovery powerhouse. We've been doing this literally for decades. And while IT always evolves and we try to evolve and stay up with it, immutability is a good example of that. We're having a lot of conversations around data immutability. We'll touch on some of that in this web series. We believe we've been offering value in this space for a long time. So early on in the process at Eagle, we realized that integrating primary and secondary storage into your backup and recovery plan was key. One example of that is snapshots. We always like to say the quickest way to restore a lot of data is not to have to move it at all. So we were such a fan of snapshots and how they integrate with backup and recovery that early on we wrote our own software called SAN Toolkit that allowed our customers who bought storage through Eagle to restore and clone large data sets. And eventually you saw vendors follow suit and start to integrate that capability into backup and recovery products. A critical part of a good business continuity and disaster recovery plan, or BCDR for short, is choosing the proper infrastructure and components. And we take a lot of pride in right-sizing environments for our customers. We don't run around trying to build Ferraris for everybody. We like to think that we ask the right questions, we understand what outcomes you're looking for in your business objectives, and then we tailor a BCDR solution that fits well into your expectations and needs. Really what gets us to the topic of security today is a number of years ago, we started seeing a lot of pains with our customers as it relates to intrusions and most notably ransomware. So a good way to put that is you might have a really excellent BCDR plan. You might have the ability to restore your data near instantly, but in a ransomware attack, if you restore your data, but you haven't ridded the environment of the bad actor, well, you've potentially wasted a lot of time and you're back at ground zero. So for some time, Eagle's been building out security solutions that really help complement this strategy overall of protecting your business. And while you may run into a lot of folks that specialize in security, right? Or they specialize in backup and recovery, we think the fact that we can holistically look at this whole environment, we can integrate components, and we can take into account not only how you can recover your data quickly, but how to create a good security posture. We think that makes us unique and we can offer a lot of value.